please, for Mr. Best in Production Attire, to be awarded by Ma'am Annie.
Production.
At para naman na mag-award sa may we call out Sir Richard para po sa babae sa pagbigay ng Best in Production Attire. Tama po ba ako?
Yes. So for our winners, for our Best in Production Attire, for male candidate, we have male candidate number. Male candidate number 5.
Lalaki. Demonyo. Demonyo. Wah, talaga yung angel. Taka demonyo ah.
Ayan, congratulations.
Congratulations.